One of the hardest parts of accounting isn't following the rules. It's knowing how your company's policy compares to everyone else's. Finance leaders often ask, are we in line with peers like Snowflake or ServiceNow? But finding that out means digging through hundreds of SEC filings, hours of manual work. That's why we built TA-Bot Benchmark. It automatically analyzes your accounting policies, like revenue recognition, and compares them against public peers under the same standards. For this demo, we'll start with a mock revenue recognition policy. Once it's uploaded, Benchmark scans the document, identifies the key topics, in this case, SaaS subscriptions, usage-based fees, and professional services, and maps them to the relevant accounting rule, ASC 606. Then Benchmark finds real-world peers automatically. It looks at industry, company size, and business model to choose comparables. In this example, Snowflake Inc., a leading SaaS provider. It even fetches Snowflake's 10K filing directly from Edgar and links you straight to the paragraph where revenue is discussed, saving hours of research. In seconds, you get a full benchmark review. At the top, it summarizes scope and topics, and if needed, asks a few setup questions, for example, whether you want a full red line, or if management should evaluate a particular transition method first. Then comes the analysis. Benchmark lays out what your policy says, a peer excerpt side by side, and the findings, gaps, unusual treatments, and audit red flags. For example, here it notes that the policy doesn't address contract cost capitalization, skips guidance on standalone selling price allocation, and assumes no financing component for annual prepayments, all flagged as audit risks. Right after that, it gives clear recommendations. Add a section on contract costs, revise usage-based revenue to decouple billing from performance, include disclosure checklists, and document management judgments. Benchmark even drafts suggested language, ready to drop into your policy, and lists control recommendations like monthly reconciliations and CFO sign-offs. The result is an actionable, audit-ready report. Your policy, peer disclosures, practical recommendations, and direct source links all in one place. TA-Bot Benchmark, transforming complex accounting policies into competitive insight. From compliance to confidence instantly.